yeah, I'm giving Clip Champ a serious coronary this morning. Yeah, hopefully it's brewing something good.
What do you do when your remote cabin requires power in the winter when the sun don't shine, but the wind is extra fierce? Time to dabble in wind energy, micro style. Clearly, it's time to head to the laboratory and start construction with virtually no knowledge. Later, we'll learn about the ratios of the wind speed to the blade tip speed versus the angle of the propellers at any distance from their center. But for now, let us just play and learn. On an aluminum blade that was not sufficiently hardened. Look at it. It is just bent beyond belief. I'm not dissuaded though. This will be flying in 15 minutes. With enough tinkering, you'll eventually come up with a design you think is worthy of installation. Now comes the fun part.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Good job, Dad.
Now, this may sound like a facetious statement, but as any qualified tree slayer will tell you, an old dead tree is their worst nightmare. Just as you begin to wedge it, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle springs up, aka Lord only knows where it's going to go. The safest course of action is to place 5 pounds of tannerite at the base of the tree, retreat to a safe distance, and find a dead-eye farmer to initiate the molecular recomposition with his deer rifle.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Good job, Dad.
Nice.
Now you may safely begin installation of your wind generator project. Remember, hydraulic force is your best friend. Yes, folks, here at Camp Crow, the deer are so fierce that they have tree stands.